Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into essential health topics to help you live your best life. Today we spotlight the crucial connection between obesity and heart disease, and how the foods we eat can play a pivotal role in preventing heart-related issues. So grab a seat and dive into this vital discussion. First, let's discuss the link between obesity and heart disease. Did you know that obesity is a significant risk factor for heart disease? Excess weight puts strain on the heart, leading to conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes, all of which can significantly increase the likelihood of heart problems. It's a sobering reminder of the importance of maintaining a healthy weight to safeguard our heart health. Now let's shift our focus to the power of preventive measures through dietary choices. Making intelligent decisions about what we eat can profoundly impact our heart health. Incorporating heart-healthy foods into our daily meals can lower our risk of heart disease and improve our overall well-being. It's empowering to know that we can take control of our health through simple yet impactful changes in our diet. As we embark on this journey to explore heart-healthy foods, let's set the tone for an informative and engaging discussion. We'll uncover the superfoods that can boost heart health, learn about the essential nutrients for a strong heart, and discover delicious recipes that nourish body and soul. Get ready to be inspired to make positive changes in your diet that will benefit your heart for years to come. So stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of heart-healthy eating and empower ourselves to take charge of our heart health. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier, happier heart together. Understanding obesity and heart disease, exploring the risks and impact on overall health. Let's delve deeper into the intricate relationship between obesity and heart disease, shedding light on the risks involved and the profound impact they can have on our overall health. By understanding these connections, we can take proactive steps to safeguard our hearts and well-being. First, let's define obesity and heart disease simply for better comprehension. Obesity is a condition characterized by an excessive accumulation of body fat, often resulting in a higher than healthy body weight. On the other hand, heart disease refers to a range of conditions that affect the heart, including coronary artery disease, heart failure, and arrhythmias. When obesity and heart disease intersect, the consequences can be severe and life-altering. Now, let's discuss the factors that contribute to the development of heart disease in obese individuals. Excess weight strains the heart, leading to high blood pressure, elevated cholesterol levels, and insulin resistance. These factors can damage the heart and blood vessels over time, increasing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular complications. It's crucial to recognize the impact of obesity on heart health and take proactive steps to mitigate these risks. Highlighting the significance of early intervention and lifestyle changes is paramount in addressing the link between obesity and heart disease. Adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and weight management can significantly reduce one's risk of developing heart-related issues. Early detection and intervention are vital in preventing the progression of heart disease and improving overall health outcomes. Stay tuned for more insights on nurturing your heart and living a heart-healthy life. Heart-healthy food choices, nourishing your heart for optimal health. The foods we choose to fuel our bodies play a crucial role in promoting heart health and preventing heart disease. Let's explore a variety of heart-healthy food choices that are delicious and packed with nutrients to support a strong and resilient heart. Fruits are nature's sweet treats that offer a plethora of heart-protective benefits. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits provide a dose of vitamin C, which supports heart health by promoting healthy blood vessels and reducing cholesterol levels. Vegetables are nutritional powerhouses that should feature prominently in a heart-healthy diet. Leafy greens like spinach and kale contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support heart function and lower blood pressure. Brightly colored vegetables like bell peppers and tomatoes are rich in antioxidants that protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals. Whole grains are essential for a heart-healthy diet as they provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support cardiovascular health. Oats, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent choices that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating whole grains into your meals can help you feel full and satisfied while nourishing your heart. Lean proteins such as skinless poultry, fish, and legumes are excellent protein sources without the added saturated fats in red meats. Fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and mackerel are particularly beneficial for heart health as they can help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. A balanced diet rich in nutrients and low in unhealthy fats and sugars is vital in supporting heart health. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods and limiting processed and sugary snacks, you can nourish your heart and body for optimal well-being. To make these heart-healthy foods more appealing and accessible, consider incorporating them into delicious recipes and meal preparations. Try roasting vegetables with herbs and spices, adding fruits to smoothies or salads, and experimenting with different cooking methods to enhance flavors without compromising nutritional value. By making mindful choices and embracing a diet filled with heart-healthy foods, you can take proactive steps to protect your heart and promote overall health and vitality. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes to nourish your heart and thrive on your wellness journey. Incorporating heart-healthy foods into your diet. Practical tips for a nourished heart. Making conscious choices to include heart-healthy foods in your daily meals and snacks is a powerful way to prioritize your health and overall well-being. Let's explore practical tips and strategies for integrating these nutritious options into your diet without compromising taste or satisfaction. Meal planning is a cornerstone of a heart-healthy diet, allowing you to prepare nutritious meals that support your cardiovascular health. Start by incorporating various heart-healthy ingredients into your meal rotation, such as lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Consider batch cooking on weekends to have healthy meals ready to enjoy throughout the week, saving time and ensuring you have nourishing options readily available. Mindful eating habits and portion control are essential components of a heart-healthy lifestyle. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite and eating slowly to appreciate your food's flavors and textures fully. Opt for smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes and prevent overeating, allowing you to enjoy your meals while supporting your heart health. When making food choices, consider swapping out standard unhealthy options for heart-healthy substitutes. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks, satisfy your sweet tooth with fresh fruits or a small piece of dark chocolate. Replace processed snacks with nutrient-dense alternatives like nuts, seeds, or air-popped popcorn for a satisfying crunch that supports your heart health. Incorporating heart-healthy foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. You can nourish your heart and body while enjoying delicious and satisfying meals by prioritizing nutrient-rich ingredients, practicing mindful eating, and making smart substitutions. Stay tuned for more tips and recipes to inspire your journey towards a heart-healthy lifestyle. Benefits of a heart-healthy diet. Nurturing your heart for a vibrant life. Embracing a heart-healthy diet can be a transformative journey toward reducing heart disease risk and enhancing overall well-being. Let's delve into the positive impact of nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods that support heart health and promote a vibrant life. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, which are critical factors in maintaining a healthy heart. Fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables help lower cholesterol and support digestive health, contributing to a solid and resilient cardiovascular system. Success stories and research findings consistently highlight the benefits of a heart-healthy diet in reducing the risk of heart disease and improving overall health outcomes. Studies have shown that individuals who follow a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins have lower rates of heart disease and related complications. Encouraging viewers to change towards a more heart-healthy lifestyle gradually is critical to long-term success and sustainability. Start by incorporating minor adjustments into your daily routine, such as adding vegetables to your meals, swapping out sugary drinks for water, or choosing whole grains over refined carbohydrates. These incremental changes can add up over time, leading to lasting improvements in your heart health and overall well-being. You are investing in a healthier, happier future by nourishing your body with a heart-healthy diet. Embrace the power of nutrient-rich foods, celebrate their positive impact on your heart health, and take proactive steps towards a vibrant life filled with vitality and well-being. Stay tuned for more inspiration and guidance on your journey to a heart-healthy lifestyle. The vital connection between dietary choices and heart health is a crucial point that inspires you to take proactive steps toward nurturing your heart and well-being. Your journey to a heart-healthy lifestyle begins with the choices you make each day, and the impact can be profound. Dietary choices are pivotal in preventing heart disease and maintaining overall health. From delicious recipes to practical tips for meal planning and mindful eating, a wealth of information is available to support you in making positive changes for your heart and well-being. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights. Like this video if you find it informative, and share it with your loved ones to spread awareness about the importance of heart health. We can inspire and support each other toward a stronger heart and a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a heart-healthy lifestyle. Let's prioritize our heart health, make mindful choices, and embrace the power of nourishing our bodies for optimal well-being. Here's to a heart-healthy future filled with vitality, joy, and abundance.